Hey, welcome back everybody. Picked up a couple of free outboards yesterday. Looks like 1972, 35 horsepowers. Lots of parts here. Excellent find. Both engines are not seized. Excellent. One of them even comes with the pull start. That's awesome. Great little find here. Absolutely free. Gotta love it. Props, lower units, everything. I'm gonna have some fun with these. Got that right. There's a lot of good stuff here. I mean, there's a starter solenoid, carburetors, two carburetors. Just have to clean those up. Points. Oh yeah, it's all good. It's all good stuff. Lots and lots of parts here. Love it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.